We have a problem. Our gas bottles are rusting on the bottom, and that's not good. Because that means they'll be leaving rust marks all over the place on our boat. But you have to remember that to every problem there is a solution. And in our case, that solution would be to paint the bottom of the bottles in rubber paint to keep them from rusting and scratching the boat. So start off by scraping the rust off the bottom of the bottles, and then we'll coat them in a layer of zinc spray, which will keep them from rusting. Now I'm going to get ready to paint them. The gas bottles have now been drying for well over 24 hours, so they are now ready to be painted with a layer of rubber. Now all of the gas bottles have been painted, and I've removed the tape around them. As you can see the nice line here. The only problem is, as far as I can tell, that this paint thinner that we've used is actually dissolving the zinc spray that we applied yesterday. As you can see down here, how it's crackled, which is not very good. Now we've got the gas bottles all painted up, and this is the final result. You can see that they've got this nice rubber coating on them, so hopefully they'll stop scratching up our boat. Now